Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to change your Wi-Fi name and password on Telus. First, make sure you have the Telus Connect app installed on your phone or tablet. Open the app and log in using your Telus account details. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see several options. Tap on the option labeled Network. This will take you to the section where you can manage your internet settings. Now, find the card labeled Wi-Fi. This section shows your current network details. In the top right corner of this card, you will see a small pencil icon. Tap on this icon to begin editing your Wi-Fi settings. Next, you will be asked to choose which network you want to update. You can select your main network or your guest network, depending on what you want to change. Tap on the network you wish to edit. You will now see fields where you can enter a new Wi-Fi name and a new password. Type in your preferred name and password. Make sure your password is strong but easy for you to remember. After entering the new details, tap on Save to apply the changes. Your network will update, and you may need to reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Thanks for watching.